Are your bones really as strong as they should be? With May being National Osteoporosis and Arthritis Awareness Month, this is the perfect time to talk about something we often overlook: bone health. Let's start with the basics. Your bones are made up of minerals, proteins, and vitamins, and they do a lot more than that, just keep you standing. Here are some quick bone facts you may not know. At birth, we have over 300 bones, but as adults, we only have 206 because they fuse together as we grow. Your femur bone, the thigh, is the strongest bone in your body. It can support up to 30 times your body weight. That's around 6,000 pounds in compressive force for an adult male. But here is something interesting. Car accidents are the most common cause of femur fractures. Let's talk about what actually keeps your bones strong and healthy. Exercise, especially strength training as we age, helps stimulate bone growth. Mineral-rich foods like bone broth, dark leafy greens, sardines, nuts, seeds, high-quality proteins, and wild-caught fish make a big difference. Sometimes food alone isn't enough. That's where supplements come in. Here are a few I often recommend to my clients: vitamin D3 with K2, magnesium, zinc, and hydrolyzed collagen, and sometimes calcium depending on diet and your needs. Love coffee? A cup a day is completely fine. But if you're drinking 4 or more cups daily, it can lead to increased calcium loss through urine and decreased calcium absorption, especially for postmenopausal women. Let's be real. What we do every day matters. Some habits quietly chip away the bone strength, even if they seem harmless. Here are 3 lifestyle choices to keep in check. Smoking. It weakens bones and slows healing. It's okay to drink once in a while, but excess alcohol interferes with calcium absorption. Using too much salt. It can cause your body to lose calcium through urine. Look, I'm not trying to scare you. It's not about fear. It's about awareness and balance. Even healthy routines can backfire if they're overdone. And don't forget, certain medications can also impact your bone health. For example, acid reflux meds like Prilosec may deplete magnesium, calcium, and B12 from your body. Blood glucose medications like metformin, often used as anti-aging, but it may lower your B12 and B9 vitamins. Anti-estrogen meds like tamoxifen link to increased bone loss. I'm not saying you should stop taking your meds. That's outside the scope of my practice. But I want you to be aware of it. If you're taking any of these medications, you may want to consult with your doctor and perhaps start supporting your body with the nutrients these drugs may deplete. Here's a bonus for you. Your genes can play a major role in your bone and joint health. If your genetic report shows high or very high impact in bone or collagen pathways, that tells me your body may be more likely to lose bone density or have difficulty converting nutrients like vitamin D into active D3 or absorb calcium. That doesn't mean something is wrong. It just means you should be more proactive with diet, movement, and supplements tailored specifically to your body needs. Genetics won't diagnose you, but they give us a powerful foundation to personalize your preventative strategy. If you'd like to see a sample genetic report or explore testing, I'll drop a link to my website and in the description. And of course, if you have questions, reach out. I love to help. Thanks for hanging out with me and our bony little friend here. Your health is in your hands, and it's never too early or too late to give your bones a little love. Stay curious, stay strong, and until next time, stay pain-free.